Are you a fucking idiot? You fucking trying to kill someone, you twat! I got you recorded on the camera, and I'm gonna fucking report you, twat! Yeah, I'm talking to you, man! Fucking tosser you are! Shut the fuck up! You arrogant. I got you recorded on the camera. Smile to the police, yeah? I'm gonna send him. Man, you try to fucking kill someone. You're an arrogant. That's what you are. Yeah. Fuck off.
Great news guys, we have a sponsor for today's video, Raid Shadow Legends. It's a turn-based RPG with a ton of champions to choose from and even more items to equip, so you can be confident your champion will be like no other. It's available for free on Android, iOS and PC by clicking the links in the description, and you can get new player bonuses including this champion, Executioner. If you're just starting, then Executioner will be an excellent choice for fighting those enemies. One of my favourite parts of the game is the PvP arena battles. You can battle your team against other players to see who will be victorious. I've battled in the campaign, the dungeons, faction wars and more. You will see bosses, monsters and creatures to fight against when you play. There is so much to do, I've barely scratched the surface. It's a great way to level up your champions, get loads of silver and gain more items. Do you want to play with other subscribers? You can join the clan I've set up, just search for ukmotoclips or ukmc. Now let's talk about the updates they've made recently. Firstly, you can now collect champion fragments to summon specific champions, including Krieler Witcharm as part of a special event that ends on the 28th of August. The daily login rewards have been extended up to 270 days, so you can get free champions just for logging in. And there is a new bazaar where you can get high value items using the gold bars you win in the tag arena. What else do I need to say? Go and click the link in the description, and if you are a new player, you will get 100,000 silver, 2 clan boss keys, 3 ancient shards and 1 free champion, Executioner. Just click here when you're in the game to get your treasure. Have fun guys, I look forward to seeing you in the game.
Right.
A few moments later.
Where are you going? Let's have a chat. Pull over there. Yeah! Why are you f***ing spitting at me as I come past? Well, A, I wasn't. And, yes, mate, I've got you on camera. You looked in the mirror and f***ing spat at me. Now, that's f***ing assault. So you can either f***ing apologise or I'll send it to the police. So what? So you decide to spit at me? What f***ing kind of creature are you? What f***ing man decides to spit at someone? You are a f***ing creature.
Like enough mouse, I thought I'm gonna have. Right, as I was saying. Use your fucking eyes, man.
ABS works. Oh, f***ing
Jesus Christ.
Come on, buddy. Great gap there, you could have gone. For f***'s sake! You were wrong.
Get off the road, mate, for f***'s sake. You have a red f***ing light. Get off the f***ing road when there's a red light, man. What's wrong with me? You're putting yourself in f***ing danger and me as well. That's what's wrong. You f*** you. You're stupid. Oh, f*** your mother, man. Idiot.
Go on, Tesla. Yeah, come on. Come on. Put the phone down. You, w***er, put the phone down.
Hey, dude, you're riding like an idiot. Seriously. You just overtook me. I was doing over 30 miles an hour. You just flew past me about that close, man. Oh, sorry, doesn't cut it. If I would have to swerve right, we would collide. Think about it, man. Seriously. No. It's like a death wish, mate. You have to be careful, my friend. Seriously. Go on, after you. You're in a hurry. Go on, go on.
That's the end of another video, guys. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it, and I will see you for the next one.